Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to install Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, R, and some rest of application or tool. Anaconda is a machine learning biggest framework. You can use this framework. You can solve any types of problem in machine learning. You can install TensorFlow, PyTorch, but you need to install Anaconda Navigator because of this is a as an understanding point of view. Anaconda Navigator is the most important thing nowadays. So how to install Anaconda Navigator? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So open your any types of web browser and just type here Anaconda, enter. So first URL is display here. I am putting this link in video description as well. Here one options are also available like installation. I click this option in installation and then I am putting this link in video description. So here Windows related versions are available: Windows operating system, Mac, Linux or Linux Power, or some silent mode, multiple users, installation file. So right now I am installing this Anaconda in my Mac operating system. So I select this Mac operating system and then some basic installation process are display here. You can see this video as a till end, otherwise you can watch here and solve your problem. So I'm install. Firstly I download this one. This is very high software, like 600 or 400 plus. You take data and then download this file. So here Anaconda installer, 3 different operating system and 3 different variants also. So right now I'm installing graphical installation. So I already installed this software, so you can download that point of view. After finish your download, you just open here. So after finish your download, this size is 456 MB. Click here twice and then continue. This introduction, continue, agreement, continue, agree. Where you want to install this operating system, external device, or install for me, install for your specific disk like here. So that point of view I am installing my username, this operating system. Install, wait couple of seconds. After finish the installation, you can install some packages on that navigator place. After finish this, download folder, yes, and done. Your installation is properly execution. So you can delete this particular backup, and then after finish the installation, here such kind of Anaconda Navigator icon is coming. So I click here twice, control top, always execution on here. So this is a Anaconda Navigator, and some now I am installing here launch Jupyter Notebook. I click the Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook are installed in that particular location. So Jupyter Notebook is installation is done. So like here you can write one small program, like suppose for example I select Python 3 and here type print, print, single quote or double quote you can apply, hello research rock. So this is execution proper or not. Look at this output is complete, perfect. So this Jupyter Notebook is execution properly. Next, Spider. I am always using Spider and Jupyter Notebook, so that's why I'm installing Spider and Jupyter Notebook. You are using some different types of PyCharm, IBM Studio, so you can install accordingly. Some orange software, this PyCharm Professional also available and R Studio also available for the data science perspective. This is a Spider framework, like you are using in a MATLAB, so same is a MATLAB extended version, but that one is very amazing framework for the programming point of view. So this is a installation, and all installation or executions are available here in root dictionary. And you want create some environment, so you can create environment as well as here directly, no need for command from. So you click here environment and create here clean and just type here your environment name. So I am typing here my environment name NLP speech, and which Python you want to install in that particular version. So I want to install 3.8 and create. So wait couple of seconds, directly virtual environment is created, and you work on natural language processing point of view, speech processing point of view. So you directly execute in this proxy error. I am facing some proxy error. for the creation perspective in internet, but you create here, click environment, create this environment and just install the processing. And suppose you want this is an installation library, you want to install some another framework, so you just simply here not install library, these are the not install all library, you select the all library and just type here num numpy. So this library is install already happen, so you search here the particular library like pip. So pip also install in this root level because of I already install in python, so that's why this is the Anaconda Navigator. Using this menu, you select or search here particular framework in the machine learning and you install here some learning perspective, some each point, some video description also available like a numpy document, pandas document, Anaconda packaging list, python references, tutorial, some video or some related informations are available here like in a text information how to install packages. You can visit here and learn each point of view, like in a numpy related explanation are available here. Don't visit any other perspective, don't read a numpy related other blog, you come here and that platform and you learn here everything in machine learning. That one is amazing. So this is a small introduction how to install Anaconda Navigator and rest of frameworks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon, you don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.